class, 40-minute, 30-minute sequences that you can practice. So let's come onto a mat and come onto an easy pose of your choice. You can sit towards your heels if this doesn't bother you. And allow yourself to shut the eyes, close, and bring the intention, the focus within. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. This is equally important to really allow yourself to set an intention or a mantra. Pose. Head on the mat. Taking a big breath in and out. Inhale, walk the hands towards the right side. The left palm comes on top of the... Inhale, walk the hands to the left side. Right hand on top of the left hand. Pushing those hips towards the heels. Breathe in and breathe out. Placing your left shoulder, connecting back with your breath. You have it. Extend the left hand, right hand. Exhale the left hand down, right knee down. Now make a figure 8 here. Exhale together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring that right hand towards the... One last one. And press back into your tabletop. Straighten the right leg. Push it. Inhale, up. Hold up here for a moment. Exhale down. Release that left knee on the mat. Push the left leg back. Straighten the left leg and bring the right knee on the mat. Spread the fingers. You can stay here. Nothing wrong with here. When you have it, inhale, draw the right knee towards the chest, contracting. Exhale down. Inhale it up. Exhale down. Exhale, forward fold. Relax the head and shoulder. You can micro bend the knee here. Breathe in, relax the head. Inhale, reach the hands all the way. And then take the left hand back. The left hand catches the right thigh, and then bring the right elbow outside of the left knee. Opening, drawing that right hand towards that left elbow and open the chest. You can look up. Again, noticing your lower lumbar, the sky. Open the heart, lean back. Exhale, same pose, hands on the mat. Look forward and straighten that left leg. Noticing how you're feeling here. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend the downward facing dog. Inhale, roll yourself forward into plank. Lower your... Remember your breath. And then open. Shoulder away from the ears. Soften your toes. Each side might feel different. You can also release the left leg. Lower your knees. Upward facing dog. Top of the legs on the mat. Finding that space. Lower yourself completely on the mat. Come into here. Inhale. Pushing into your forearm. Release the right leg and the awaken. Then exhale, come into that Sphinx pose. Open the heart. Lengthen, relax the tongue. And allow your shoulders to relax. Similarly, you can bring your left toes towards the elbow and continue to the heels. Release the back body on the mat. Then inhale, tickle your heels with the middle finger. Inhale, lift the hip. And coming to focusing on your breath. Forward and back, maybe a couple of times until you can make your way to seated. This time and bring the hands in front of the heart. Allow yourself to bow towards your chest, towards your heart center. Thank you so much for joining me. It's supposed to be a 20-minute, I believe it's a 25-minute.